Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix iPhone can't turn on Bluetooth on iPhone or iPad. So guys, let's get started this video without wasting any time. So guys, first of all, restart your iPhone. So for the restart iPhone, tap on power button and volume up at the same time. So drag this slider to the right. So after restarting your iPhone, open the lock screen, and the next solution is turn on airplane mode and then turn it off again. Turn on and turn it off again. So after this, the next solution is update your iPhone to the latest iOS. So for this, open settings, tap on general, tap on software update here. So guys, if you haven't updated your iPhone to the latest iOS version, so simply update your iPhone to the latest version. So I have the latest version on my iPhone. So and the next solution is force restart your device, a hard reset. So how can we hard reset our iPhone? So simply tap on power button and volume up and the volume down button at the same time for 15 seconds when Apple logo appears. So after hard resetting your iPhone, and the next solution is reset network settings. For this, open settings, tap on general, scroll down, tap on transfer reset, tap on reset, then tap on reset network settings, enter your iPhone passcode. So tap on reset network settings. So guys, here are some simple solutions to fix your iPhone Bluetooth issues. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you guys. See you in the next video. Thank you.